Hi guys, I have one more package today. I was waiting for one more thing that didn't come yet from Amazon, and this is really important because, like I mentioned in my other videos, I'm getting ready to go on my big annual camping trip to the RTR in Arizona, in Quartzite. It's only like 3 weeks away. I was so excited. So I got myself something that was suggested, and I thought about it, and I put it off for a while, but I think it's important that I have this for protection and other needs, and you'll see. Okay, so this came today. Let's see what it is. I'm hoping it's so I already kind of know what it is or what it should be. But when you order a bunch of stuff, then you're like, did I get that already? Or anyway, let's see what it is. Okay. It is, oh, yep. So it's a multi-tool. And I should have remembered who it was that suggested it. I'm not sure. But it was another van lifer. I watch so many of them that I lose track. So, but all of them have suggested something similar. I think might have been Bunny's place here that did. I'm not sure. But I know she has, in one of her videos, suggested these. Several of the van lifers recommend having this, so it is a shovel, and it cuts, has a straight edge here and a serrated edge here, and that's a straight edge. Oh, you can measure 3 inches. You can put bolts in here, I guess. Suppose that's so I can hang it up. It's a can opener. And a paracord in case I need that. Which seems like it's going to come untied. And I don't want it to come untied. So, that's my new multi-tool. So now, because I was having trouble getting tent stakes in Arizona in the desert, the ground's so hard, so this might help me dig. You can dig to make a fire pit. I won't do a lot of digging because my body can't really do that, but I have a can opener, but in case it gets lost or doesn't work or something, I'll have a backup. And protection, because, you know, I'm going to be camping as a solo female with 2 little dogs. They make a lot of noise, but don't think they can do much, so I want to be safe and extra careful, and it comes with a little pouch. I just put it in there, and I can hook it on. I guess you can put on your loop belt or something. So, there, multi-tool.